Hey y'all, so come and make some chicken adobo, Filipino adobo with me, unauthentic. So I got this recipe from Valencia's Life off of YouTube, and I did look at some other recipes as well, but I like her recipe better. So it calls for chicken thighs, but I'm using wings. It calls for 5 to 6 pieces of chicken thighs, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of vinegar, and dried bay leaves, brown sugar, green onions. That's optional, and that's about it. But as you can tell, I like garlic, so I use more garlic than it was called for. And plus, you do have to double it because I'm using more chicken and some bay leaves and soy sauce. I'm using low sodium soy sauce. You make it however you would like. Like I said, I looked at several videos, but I like Valencia's video better. So let's get into it, y'all. So for the marinade, you use the soy sauce, the garlic, the vinegar, and the bay leaves, and you let that marinate for at least 30 minutes, or you can do it overnight, however you would like to do it, darling. So yeah, let's get into it. So I was showing you how your stuff won't have a like a bad stick is when the butter looks like foam almost, even when you frying eggs, so it won't stick to the pan a lot. You wait till it get that like it looks like a foam. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it? So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna sear your chicken on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. Depends on how golden brown you want your chicken on each side. And after that, you take the onions and you get that leftover from the chicken off of the skillet. Now, mind you, before I started really getting into cooking, I used to always wash my skillets and my pan, I'm gonna say my pots out. I didn't know that you use the onion to get it off of the pot. So yeah, that you're gonna see me do that after I finish searing my chicken to get all that deliciousness from off of the pan. Okay. Now I hope y'all didn't think that I threw my marinade away. I wouldn't do that. No, you use all that. And then you let it cook down for about 20 to 25 minutes. But I did mine longer because I used low sodium soy sauce, and mine was a little bit thinner than the regular soy sauce.
Look at that. It's not going to be as thick as the regular soy sauce, because I used a little sodium. So, but it's thicking up enough. Look at that. Look how thick it hasn't got compared to when I first poured it in the pot. Ooh, baby. All right. Okay. Look how so tender.
Baby, at this point I was like, look what I made, look what I made, because I know I showed you a after already, but I was so proud of this deliciousness, darling. Okay, because just look at it. Wouldn't you be proud? So if y'all decide to try this recipe, let me know how it came out, or give me some more ideas, because I be trying to try stuff different, because I won't have to just eat the same thing over and over week after week. But yeah, deuces, y'all.